Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a product to Shopify store. First thing first, go to the Shopify homepage and log into your account. From the admin dashboard, click Products, then Add a Product. Fill in the essential details that will appear on your product page like title, keep it short, clear and consistent, and the product description. Use persuasive text that explains benefits, features, and why customers should buy. You can use Shopify Magic AI to generate descriptions with different tones and mix emotional and rational appeal to connect with your audience. Now, visual sell, so upload images, videos or 3D models, and even alt text and file names with SEO keywords. Just a tip, optimize file sizes for faster loading. Also assign a product category so Shopify can better organize your catalog and boost discoverability. Now, collection, group products together to improve browsing and sales. For example, men's clothing, summer dress, and accessories. You can choose manual collection by adding products yourself. An automated collection, Shopify adds products automatically based on conditions like tags, price, stock, etc. If you don't upload a collection image, Shopify will automatically use the image of the first product. Now, before publishing, configure any settings like pricing, inventory, and shipping. Under Search Engine Listing Preview, edit page title and add meta description. Then customize the URL handle. This boosts visibility in Google search results and increases clicks. Now, click Save Product to publish and use Preview to check how it looks in your theme, then edit is needed and confirm. And congratulations, your product is now live on your Shopify store. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.